Actually, we have something. We're doing a fire drill test. Actually, it's music. Let's do a fire drill test. This is the alert system. Can you see? Alert system. Huh? The alert systems. That one. La. Actually, this is where it is. Now you can see it. And there, the alarm system, the spray alarm alert system, and these are bottles. This one is my favorite color, green. Actually, no, it's green, blue, that's candy, red, and then gray. That one. Bath tissue. And today we're responding this 962. It's 962. This is the 562. But if I put 984, it's 562. Alright, we'll start. And this is the tree I've been knocking down. Let's go upstairs. Let me show you something. Actually, this is the temperature. See it? The buttons when you push it up. Or you push it down. And there's the doorbell. We have a bell outside. My mom's truck. I'm going to Grandma's house. Lunch. Pizza. Let's think. A relock RSS. Actually, let's. Hey.